Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be telling you how to fix the controller that is not working. So first of all, let's try to launch it on Epic Games. So let's plug in the controller, and I'm pressing and it's not working. As you can see, it's not working. Even if I went to control options, the same thing. So what we are going to do is easy. Just quit the game and head to Steam, then go to library. After that, add a game, a non-Steam game, and browse. And you need to go to the folder that you have downloaded the game from Epic Games. For me it's here. And then go to there, then binaries, Win64, and choose this. Add selected programs, and now try to launch it. And now I will try to press anything, and as you can see it's working, finally working, everything. Let's try it, and as you can see guys, it's working, everything, and this stuff. So don't forget guys to like and subscribe for more upcoming content. In the time being, peace out.